What if anyone on your team could ask your data warehouse a business question directly in Slack and get an answer in seconds? No SQL knowledge, no waiting on a data analyst, just ask and your data talks back instantly and visible to the whole team. An AI agent accesses your tools, queries your data warehouses, runs the analysis, and returns a clear, human-readable answer in seconds. Hey, this is Alex, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this step by step inside Jet Admin. First, head to the agent builder and connect the agent to your data. In this example, we're using BigQuery, but this works with any data warehouse or database you're running. Add the data source tool, enable SQL queries. This lets the agent execute custom SQL to answer complex business questions. Then select the collections, your specific tables or data sets. The agent will only see what you give it access to. You stay in control. Now let's quickly test it right here in the builder. I'll ask it to find our highest lifetime value customer segments. It runs the SQL query against our database and it returns a complete breakdown by gender, age, and location, along with key takeaways in seconds. Next, bring the agent into Slack. Click Add to Slack and follow the instructions to connect your workspace. Invite the Jet Admin bot to your channel and connect your specific agent to that channel. From this point on, anyone in the channel can chat with the agent directly. Now define who your agent is with the instructions. Your agent system prompt. Be specific. The more precise, the more reliable the answers. We'll drop a ready-to-use template in the description below. Choose your AI model. Jet Admin gives you full flexibility here. You can pick from leading cloud-based models like Claude, GPT, or Gemini, or connect a self-hosted model if your data privacy requirements demand it. For this agent, we're going with Claude Sonnet, purpose-built for analytical reasoning and SQL generation. Here's where it really gets powerful. Automatic tasks. You can schedule the agent to proactively check your data on a set cadence. In this example, we set it to run on the 28th of each month at 9 a.m. with the instruction notify me if conversion rate drops below 50%. Your agent monitors your KPIs automatically and alerts you before problems become crises. Now give your agent a superpower upgrade. Enable code execution. This unlocks advanced capabilities on top of your SQL results, statistical analysis, financial modeling, data aggregations, chart generation, and processing data across formats like JSON, CSV, and more. With code execution, the agent doesn't just retrieve data, it reasons over it. Then set the welcome experience using title and description. This makes the agent feel like a real product, not just a chatbot. Now let's keep it focused. Toggle off anything this agent doesn't need. Internet search. Your agent works with your internal data only. Fetch URL content, not relevant for data analysis workflows. Generate image. This is a data agent, not a creative tool. A focused agent is a trustworthy agent. Disabling unused tools reduces hallucination risk and keeps the agent on task. Let's come back to Slack and see this in action from a real user's perspective. Imagine you're a head of agency. Your team just closed Q1. You want to know what drove growth. You type the question into Slack, and few moments later, your whole team has the answer right in the channel. No waiting on a data analyst, no SQL training needed for your end users, no engineering ticket required to ask a data question. This is what it means to have an AI data analyst for your team. You just built a production-ready AI data analyst that lives inside Slack, connects to your real data, and gives your whole team instant access to insights. Try it with your own data today. And if you want to go even further, adding more data sources, building workflows, or expanding to a full AI-powered internal tool, check the links below. Build smarter, ship faster. See ya in the next one.